Garlicky Spaghetti Pasta. That's what I'm going to make. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be making a garlicky spaghetti pasta. It's made with tons of garlic, so good, and we really like it. So if you like content and recipes like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I have already cooked my pasta, my spaghetti, and drained it, and I saved 1.5 cups of the pasta water. So right now, medium-high heat, I'm going to heat up 1/3 cup of olive oil. I don't have any fresh whole garlic, so I'm using the minced, and I'll need 8 cloves of garlic. I'll need 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, and if I had fresh, I'd use fresh parsley, it'd be 1 cup. But since I don't, I'm just going to use 1 heaping teaspoon of parsley, dried parsley flakes, because a little goes a long way in the dried. And I have got 1 cup of grated parmesan cheese. Alright, now I'm going to add my garlic. That should be about 8 cloves, I believe. And you want to cook this until it starts browning. You do not want to burn it, because it will burn very easily. It'll take about 2 minutes. Alright, now I want to add my 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And you just want to cook this for about 30 seconds, alright? Now I'm going to add my pasta water. And you want to bring this to a boil. Alright, and now I'm just going to turn it down to simmer. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. You want to cook this for about 5 minutes or until it's cooked down by 1/3. Alright, it's reduced. And now I'm going to add my pasta and toss it. Now I want to add my teaspoon of parsley. Like I said, if you have fresh, 1 cup. And my Parmesan cheese. And give that a good toss. I'm going to cut it off. Now you just want to remove it from the heat. You want to let it sit for 5 minutes so the pasta can absorb the garlic sauce. So I'll be back. Doesn't that look good? All that wonderful garlicky goodness. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So until next time, y'all, bye.